Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today I will show you how to write a professional Twitter bio. And this video is the second part, so if you haven't watched the first part, you might want to go back and watch that first. And I'm also assuming that you're coming from that video, so let's get started. And for the ones that who wants to watch this before watching the first one, in other words, we need a resume that will introduce ourselves to other users on Twitter, enable us to appear in search results, but fit 160 characters. And this is what should we write in our personal information section, brings with it the question. So let's continue with the informations about how to write a professional Twitter bio. You know the first ones that we have gave you, and let's keep going. If you use humor, do not overdo it. With hundreds and thousands of funny Twitter bios, videos out there, or articles that you can find on websites, does that mean that your bio has to be funny as well? The answer is no. However, humor can surely help to make you more approachable and your bio more memorable. So, if you decide to write a professional Twitter bio in a fun way, make sure to use humor sparingly. So, after all, your bio is supposed to tell the world who you are, what you do, and why you do it. So, humor is not necessary unless you're a comedian. For example, let's get to Tom Hanks' bio. As you can see, and his bio is mentioned as an example in almost all the funny Twitter bios, articles, videos. So let's read what it's saying. I am that actor in some of the movies you liked and some you didn't. Sometimes I'm in pretty good shape, other times I'm not. Hey, you gotta live. So, yeah, we got, you see how his bio gives you like chuckles but doesn't sound fake and overdone? He has given us information about his career and himself as a person in a fun way. And that's why this is a great example. So, if you want to write a professional Twitter bio and use humor, make sure that you give those who read it some information about yourself instead of just being funny for the sake of being funny. Just don't put a joke there. Let us know who you are at the same time. The other thing is add links to your other accounts. So let me ask you something. Why are you on Twitter? Like, you might answer that you want to increase the number of your followers, and that's legit. But is that the end goal? Like, of course not. You probably want to be contacted by employers or by people who want to be guests on your podcast or YouTube channel, maybe get more subscribers and followers on your other social media accounts, right? Or you want your customers or consumers to buy your products. Whatever the reason is, in order to achieve it, you need those links in your bio. Want to be offered a job? Include your contact information like your email. Want for more followers on Facebook? Include a link that will redirect your Twitter followers to your Facebook profile. Want to sell more product? Include a link from your online store, and so on. You get the gist. And after all, the bio is the first thing most people see when checking out someone's profile. So make sure that you use this space wisely and to your advantage. So let's see some great examples. Let's go to Ethan Klein. He is the producer of Hash 3 podcast, Hash 3 Productions, and obviously wants to promote his YouTube channel, which is why he made it in his main link, as you can see here. But he also wants to attract new guests for his podcast, which is why he left his email right here that people can contact him. As you can see, co-founder, you podcast booking inquiries, he has every one of them. So let's go to this one as well. Says I'm not really good at pronouncing this one. Let's go like Saus. Yes, right here. As you can see, on the other hand, he is promoting his website, which is why he included it in his bio, but he also included a link to his Instagram profile right here. When we click, that's gonna take us there, and inserted his YouTube channel as his main link. So these two example is one of the greatest examples we could have given you. And the other one is add a call to action. And finally, besides adding links, you also need to include a call to action so that your followers and potential followers are encouraged to take a certain action. But first, you need to think what your priority is. To get more Twitter followers or more YouTube subscribers, maybe sell your products. So here's a great example. Honey, a free browser extension that helps consumers save money by showing them the best online deals. Obviously, wants their Twitter followers to download their extension and app. So let's go and show it. I couldn't find it. I guess, yeah, if I can find it, I will make sure that I use that link on the description of this video, but I couldn't find it right now. So let's just picture it in our head. They obviously want to increase the number of their patrons, and which is why they included their Patron account and encourage people to join them. I'm pretty sure, I'm going to put their Twitter bio on the description of this video. And let's come to the final words. As you can see, writing a professional Twitter bio that's both original and memorable is not that simple. However, if you take above mentioned tips into consideration, this video and the previous video, you are sure that you'll write a great bio that will tell people who you are and bring you more followers than you imagined. So use this 160 characters wisely, and let me show you before going how to put it. I know you guys already know that. I have showed you in the first video, and I know that you have watched that video. So this is what you go to your profile, you click edit profile, and then here you write what you want to write after those 7 tips that we have gave you in this 2 video. And then you're gonna click save, and it's just gonna appear here. So I will just put, I'm a designer, so I'll put designer. If I'm putting it like this, maybe this is actually what I only want people to know, but maybe it's because I didn't actually understand the importance. You see, it's right there. And if you want to delete your bio, you just go and delete it, and you're gonna go save, and it disappears. So thank you for watching the video, and I'm pretty sure that you have watched the previous one. So I hope it helped you with creating a professional bio and helping you to get more followers or whatever your goal is. So if you found it helpful, and do not forget to like this video, and if you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have any suggestions, any questions, I can find them on the comments. If you go and comment, so I'll write answers to them, or I will take my action, and you will understand that I have read your comment. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.